What is going on, everybody? Man, Micah's back with another video. Back here to talk about foldable iOS devices. Notice I didn't say foldable iPhones. Now, the reason why I didn't say that is because this is a hot take I've been sticking to for a while. Shout out to Marquez or MKBHD for asking people to shout their hot takes out on his Twitter. Because I've been saying for 2 years and running now, maybe 3. Apple will not release a foldable iPhone. And I think the reason is just I think foldable technology, despite it being very, very good, I don't think Apple wants to go and tread down that territory. I just simply don't think so. I think it's from a quality assurance standpoint that Apple just will not go there with foldable iPhones. But according to this report from Mashable, shout out to Mashable, they said that the foldable iPhone is reportedly still coming our way. Here's the evidence. Now, if you guys see this article I got pulled up here, it said they may jump into the foldable bandwagon after all. And a lot of people have been speculating over the years that Apple was going to release a foldable iPhone. But here's where here's the reason why they won't, right? They're usually pretty quick, or not necessarily even slow, but they finally do jump into the territory of whatever's going on, right? Whether it's the watch, the tablet, the phone, the earbuds, headphones. When you look at their product history, they usually get in there relatively fast, or when it doesn't take them too long before they finally jump into the world of whatever tech is going on. But notice, foldables have been around for a while. We have not seen not one foldable iOS device. But if we continue reading this article, it says that a new report from the Korean outlet, The Elect, indicated that Samsung Display, a subsidiary of Samsung, has strengthened the foldable capacity of its A business team, which handles demand from Cupertino. So, one of Samsung's display, companies that handles foldable technology is getting ready for something from Apple. We continue on, it says that there isn't much to report beyond that, and a nugget that foldable 20-inch screens for Apple are in the works. Now, notice, it didn't say anything about a phone. It didn't say anything about an 8 to 10 to 12 inch. No, it said 20-inch devices. Foldables are no longer gimmicky or experimental. They now actually have a proper marketplace. So I do agree with that standpoint there. Shout out to the iPad Pro, by the way. And this is where I say iOS devices, not the iPhone. I think Apple is more willing to gamble, so to speak, on a larger device that can fold, such as a foldable iPad or a foldable laptop that is more or less all screen. And then, of course, they would then have some type of magic keyboard that could sit on top of the screen, kind of similar to that, was it a ThinkPad? I think it's ThinkPad or Lenovo that has that foldable laptop, and it has a keyboard you can place on top. I can see Apple going down that road with a foldable device as opposed to a foldable iPhone. I think the iPhone is too much of a staple. It's too grounded in simple ease of use that they would not want to complicate their big boy money maker, that is the iPhone, by going foldable with it. I just don't think they'll do that. Now, of course, we see companies drop both a standard slab, right, a regular phone, and a foldable phone, like Samsung, right, like LG was trying to do back in the day, right? You have the S series and then you have the Z series. So they still would drop both. But I don't think Apple is going down that road when it comes to a foldable iPhone. I think we'll get a foldable tablet and a foldable laptop, but I'm sticking to my hot take: no foldable iPhones coming from Apple. That's what I think. What do you guys think? Do you think we're going to get a foldable iPhone, or do you also think that we will get a foldable iOS device, but it will not be an iPhone? Or do you think Apple is just going to ultimately steer clear? If we do remember, real quick, AirPower was supposed to be a thing, and it got discontinued. So even though Apple could be trying to play this foldable game with a bigger size device, they may ultimately pull out if it's just not up to their spec. And that's also ultimately, conclusively, why we will not get a foldable iPhone. But the comment section is open for discussion. Let me know down your thoughts in the comment section below. But if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys ignite the like button, subscribe to the channel, the notification bell, so that way we can find videos, so that way we sit back and see what's cracking. It's your man Micah signing out to the next video. Wait for